Okay, so this is the not so happy idling. Now you notice if I take off one injector, hey look, nothing's happening. Okay, put it back on. Number 2's down here. See that very well. But if I pull it off, let's see if anything happens now. Nope. But now the interesting part is if I push it back in, if I put on the harness, which I'm going to try and get right about there. Watch this. Oh look. Oh look, it dies again. Okay, and comes back. So, confirmed, we have harness issues. 1, 2, and 5 are not getting signal the way they're supposed to. And that's what the issue is. We have, let's see here, 11:30 RPM warm-up idle, 9:36 after about 5 minutes, 8:42 hot, which is perfect. 1, 2, and 5 are not responding when you pull the injector plug off while running. 6 and 3 definitely work. 4 I can't get to because it's a real bitch to get at. So yeah, looks like we're doing harness work, or I might just buy the whole damn harness for this thing. As much as I didn't want to, I think I'm going to be chasing all sorts of issues, and I don't want to. So yeah, there we go. Problem fixed right now. I haven't done a compressor test because it's probably not needed.